Welcome. If you want to install iOS launcher on your CUBOT Note 7, at the first you have to go for the Play Store, then tap on the search pool and type iOS launcher. Let's get this up from Looting Developer. Okay, right now we can open. Accept permissions and then tap on the home button and select iOS Launcher 14 and tap Always. Click here, and after a few moments we are able to use this launcher. As you can see here it is. We can, for example, edit icons on the home screen. As you can see, animation look the same like on the iPhone, and you can add widgets here. And they will appear after a few moments here. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!